is the best legal marketing seminar conference out there? There's tons of different seminars. Most of them are great, really. But for my money, Max Law Con is the absolute best, and here's why. When you go to a seminar, typically there's a keynote speaker, lots of great speakers. You make relationships with new people, new friends, and you have a great time. But what happens after the event, you go home, you're excited, your mind is filled with all these great ideas to implement, but then all this stuff hits you, all the work in your office and all the different appointments, conferences, you name it, interruptions from your staff, and before long you forget what your grand plans were. The benefit of the Maximum Lawyer Conference is that it is an ongoing relationship after the day of the event. So if you go to Max Law Con in St. Louis, it's a fantastic 2-day event. Tons of great speakers, really generous, caring, good people are there. But after the event, you're part of the Max Law community, where there's a daily dialogue on a private Facebook page where there's different questions posed. People share their best insights on what to do in marketing and managing a law firm. It is the type of community that doesn't exist anywhere else. So when you go to Max Law Con, you're becoming part of that community. But better yet, it's not just a digital friendship. There you're meeting people one-on-one, you're breaking bread with them, and you're forming real relationships, not just digital ones. And there is no better use of your money than going to Max Law Con for a legal marketing seminar. The relationships are real. Jim Hacking, who you see in this photograph right here, gave one of the most powerful speeches I've ever heard at Max Law 19 about his history of abuse as a child. I just thought it was an extremely compelling speech. And Tyson, his partner here, gave a speech about stop the bullshit, meaning let's be real. Let's not pretend everything's perfect when it's not, because we all have problems. We all face issues with our law firm. No matter how long we've been in business or no matter how successful we've been, we all struggle at times. Let's face it. And stop the bullshit was just a great theme for his speech. I thought Bill, the lawman Umansky, gave a very powerful speech about building bridges with your adversarial attorneys. And when you're butting heads, instead of like cursing them out, trying to put out a fig leaf of peace and even inviting them out for a cocktail. So just wonderful stories, great people, and I will be there again. The event will be held June 10th of Wednesday, June 10th through Friday, June 12th at the Ameristar Casino Spa Resort in St. Charles, Missouri, right outside of St. Louis. Best of all, you'll get to know all these great people. I highly recommend it. You should sign up and register for the conference today. I will be there. I've been there at every conference, and I wouldn't miss it for the world. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share it with any friends who you think might find it valuable. And I'll see you tomorrow.